Well, hello everybody. This is my first mail call. We tried to do one several months ago and things got messed up with everything. But this is from Scale Trains. We've been waiting for it for a little bit and we're going to open it up, and I got a couple little helpers. I have the second youngest child behind the camera phone. This is the youngest one. This is Margaret. Michaela is in behind the camera. I was going to try to do this yesterday, but had some things come up. All right, sissy. Oh, well, first thing that they've been waiting for is all the candy.
I want that.
Yeah, okay, let's pull this out and let's get this going. Let's get it out. We can do the candy later. All right, invoice. Pull it out. Oh, we got a wrap. Oh, okay. Wow. That was a biggie. All right. Well, the one behind the camera was wanting one of these. So we'll see. All right. These are Rivet counter. They're the SD40T-2s. And SP. Open it. All right, there you go. I know, you see the candy. Focus up on that in a minute so they can see what it is. All right.
Look.
Yeah, more candy. Kids love the candy, that's for sure. All right. Wow. Three that and the suckers. So I will get these on the layout, and I will do